It looks like writers of this show are running out of ideas. I mean, we're on episode 90, but we are still on the same plot of Sbongile and Wenzo. But I'm glad that actors are executing, and regardless of how the story drags, we're still enjoying and the story is still interesting. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, here's what you can expect on Sbongile and The Dlaminis this week. After Mzansi posted its teasers on their Instagram page, I got so excited that I created this video immediately. As we all know that Wenzo and Sbongile left the Dlamini mansion. Well, after leaving the house, they've been trying to find ways to make money. And on this Monday's episode, Wenzo is caught by his brother trying to take designs from the house, which means that Wenzo and Sbongile are gunning for the same business idea as their parents' company. And this angers Unjengai and Upeten. Unjengai is very angry that Wenzo and Sbongile are trying to pitch their ideas to his clients, meaning that Wenzo and Sbongile are targeting his clients, and things look promising for our favorite couple until the Tuesday episode. On the Tuesday episode, our couple gets evicted from their flat and they are forced to move out. Their new place is not really friendly for Wenzo, which is where he starts to realize that leaving home was not as easy as he thought it would be. On the other plot, Ombambo called Velepi trying to bring her back home, but it didn't work. There is another story that needs to come to an end, ladies and gentlemen. There is nothing that is uninteresting as watching a story that you know the ending of. I mean, we all know how this plot is going to end anyway, so... Now, going to Wednesday's episode. Wenzo experienced life in an angle that he never experienced in his whole life before. And on the other hand, Zex's uncle is asking Velepi to get Zex a tombstone. So, yep, ladies and gentlemen, that is what we can expect on Sbongile and The Dlaminis this week. And this is the end of this video. Please like this video if you enjoy content, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and press the notification bell so that you can be notified every time when I post videos on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.